I used to do it fast.
Oh, nice. Oh, I'm so there. And then in every key, do the thirds in every key.
Minor third chromatic.
Yeah. You'll be able to do 4 of them.
Minor third chromatic.
And that's in like an ending or like something like that.
Don't even think like that. It's just somewhere. It's just somewhere. That's all. Don't make it into nothing. I might start another piece like this. I don't know what I might do.
Yeah, it could be a million things. Okay.
Yeah, so you don't make it into something.
Okay.
Because then you end up with a certain this
set
is this.
Right.
No, it's everything. You know.
Yeah, I got you.
Y'all supposed to be able to do this.
Oh man, that's so nice.
Why you say the cat made you mad? Because he played it right behind you, made you mad.
You know what Brian Cat did to me? I mean, I could play this good. I was like that, and he sat right down and played it. I said, Lord, I said, now that's ears. See, that's when the cat really got ears. He sat down and played it right behind me. No tutoring, no nothing. Just played it. You trying to play it? You gotta always try to keep this minor. See, always try to keep that minor there. Wait, no. Yeah, try to keep this minor. Just remember when you get to the notes, you gotta do that. So you can do all kinds of that. That's in the tune. You know.
Yeah. Identified it.
It's all kind of things, you know. So what you do, you just practice. You say, oh, so you know, but you mind the thirds. That's what you're doing, right?
That's nice just by itself.
See it right by itself. Good.
Following the
Catching on. I try. Just do that.